Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will review Apple Card use in store. To begin, ensure your Apple Card is set up in Apple Wallet. When you're ready to pay, simply use your iPhone or Apple Watch for a quick, contactless transaction. Just double-tap the side button on your device, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. It's a seamless and secure way to complete your purchases at compatible terminals, making shopping effortless and modern. One of the best perks of using your Apple Card is the daily cash rewards. You'll earn 3% daily cash on all purchases made directly with Apple, whether online or in store. For most other transactions where you use Apple Pay, you'll receive 2% daily cash. Even when you use the physical titanium card, you still get 1% daily cash back. These rewards are automatically added to your Apple Cash card daily, ready for you to spend or send. Before you head out, remember that not every store accepts Apple Pay, so it's wise to have a backup payment method. The physical titanium Apple Card is sleek, but it doesn't have visible card numbers, which enhances security. For online purchases or situations requiring card details, you'll find all the necessary information within your wallet app. Always check for the Apple Pay symbol at checkout to ensure a smooth experience. To maximize your Apple Card experience, regularly check your daily cash balance in the Wallet app to see your rewards grow. The Wallet app is also your hub for managing all aspects of your card, from viewing statements to making payments. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to simplify your meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Happy shopping and saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.